You subscribe yet?
Major discovery, baby. To every key there's a lock, to every bird there's a flock, to every boy there's a perfect girl, okay? To every wolf there's a pack, and there's no turning back. It's either in or you're out in the cold, okay? To every bumble there's a bee, trouble look for me, yeah, that's my philosophy, yeah. To every girl there is a move that brings some crazy attitude that switches on and off like a crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Crazy, crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, she's my baby. So every good there's a bad, sometimes you're happy then you're sad, it evens out eventually. To every lie there's a twitch, every tear there's an itch, it's worth a pain. Oh, there's a heart without a soul, love will always be at home.
Yo!
What?
How you run from?
Not pray me like that.
But I'm your cousin, you know?
Me no want to pray, me your cousin, yeah. Me no want to pray like that, daddy. You see me I run, yes, I drop me, I go drop off on key, yeah, ask me business. You don't see me done. Me I move one way, me I move kind of skeptic, my brother.
Nah, man, it don't sound good, but you're out of breath and sitting like somebody running down?
Yeah, they know. Somebody around
No,
me.
because...
Brother, you know, try getting on my business done. Me I do my work, me I make two moves. Make two moves, no man. Me I make two moves, daddy. Yeah, try question me out me thing. Yeah, make me stop. Where want?
No, you see me a yell because me see I remember one way, alright, bro. That's
you know what? You no question me thing then, brother, man. Me your cousin, no make you reach past this, brother. Come we pray every day, brother. Me pray. You don't see me. You don't see me, man.
I can go, so. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, left everything at the workplace. Yeah, man, everything to them. Yes, boss. We just went leave early because me have to follow my lady go I follow her go clinic, yeah. Yeah, alright. Respect, yeah. I want you.
Come on, we're ready.
I don't understand why you give me attitude right there, so. I want everything will alright. We cook your breakfast for you. Eh? And you eat. How could I cause this?
I'm ready, make it stay.
Listen to me. Me no want when we go in a taxi, you give me attitude and people feel some in an argument and something. That make no sense. You understand me? I say, so talk to me, what go on?
Since you insist, you know. Alright then. Rain just fall down.
Yeah, and so what?
And we have to go take taxi if we go turn up on roadside to get drive right now. Suppose one car pass and flash you up.
We just move to one different place. We not turn up in I wish by the water them there.
We have to go home for change, what you talking about?
We mean going for change. We not turn up by water
my
them.
bag all heavy. You're supposed to have one.
So what you think we take it from you then? Wait till we take it back from you because the bag heavy. That's what a man is supposed to do, right? What? Why problem? Why real problem?
Real problem is I need a car.
Jesus.
Because I could have my bag when I could have go jump in the back seat and we just drive out and go about business.
You mean say your face long down for something what me can't fix now? Hold on, come at me tighter, I say. And your complex. Babe, stop creating issues that we can't fix right now. It don't make no sense. Me no want you go in a taxi and the people I see your long face and I said this and I said that. Cause them. You ready? I do me this?
Ready?
What you mean say me ready? Me can't ready. Right now, I feel to make you go on by yourself right now. Because me a good down with you down and clean down, you go sit down there and you vex over here, so me vex over here, so it don't look good. People know energy and know things. Eh? I'm make you sexy up, so. Eh? I'm make you dress up, so. A man you look? Eh?
I'm afraid that look man and me I go with my man.
Yeah, but
that makes sense?
No, but you look like you want to draw attention. Me always stay so top just and show your belly. All the neighbor where you see. Eh? What kind of lifestyle that?
Oh,
You laugh, you think a joke.
Yeah, change the topic.
No, change the topic.
Yeah, change the topic.
I no matter change the topic, but you look on you. Eh? And me alone to see if you wear, I say me love the Jewish religion, you know, in long down frock and everything cover.
Me not just
one man for
all
your eye.
man for please.
And all man a religious thing with. So how you follow? Which part of the Bible you follow? The back part, the front part, or the side part? Eh? Or you just follow which part you want to make it fit you?
Wrong with him,
Eh? When me say something wrong with me, and you come with a long face and cause me if you talk all these things and think all this way. Eh? Why you doing this to me? Look there. Eh? Any man see you and just for them look. Up under you. Where you go?
I'm ready. Because you change the topic from where we are come from to foolishness.
Oh, go on, my lady. You good? What you mean? See how people, I see what I go on. They might watch trick how we argue on them road.
Are you a
I mean,
talk
no
loud?
one we argue in a
Are
taxi.
you a talk loud? Then what is all me and talk to
You
you
better
and
go
your voice? Me not go nowhere like you told where I go.
Me not come because me not go nowhere and argue. Smile.
Okay, then man go look for me because I'm just sexy.
Alright, come on.
You come now.
Come on, ready?
You walk back at me?
You must walk back at you.
Walk back at me. You see, if like how you walk back at me, you go see all I man them you watch me. You know what that?
What you try that? Hurt my feelings? You can't hurt my feelings.
I joke, come on. I joke, babe, come on.
Me don't care and then you come no, don't touch me, man. No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Go on, where you go. Go on, me follow you.
Come on.
Watch it, Jesus Christ.
Marcus, I want to make you feel so long, so. Girl, you're a young girl. Come, cheer up yourself, man. I make you look so.
Is that here? You don't like clinic, you know. I'm the only man today. And we are talk. And we have a disagreement. You know, say man, get up and go left me. Like we don't have no disagreement about nothing at all. And the hurtfulest thing is that, you know, you not even have a car. Like you can come around and something. You want some water?
I'm a good man.
So we are throat supper.
Me say, finally, you get in your head. Eh? Come in no way to do with them man there when I drive. Other day, me still not struggle with big old bag. Rain a fall and carry all nearly splashing up. Eh? Young girl like you.
Master God, rough.
You rough? You not rough yet. Me tell you, you know? Me tell you what gonna happen if you're sick one night. 1 o'clock in the morning and the man can't, the man have no care if he can't go to hospital. What gonna happen to you?
You don't know what gonna happen. Then me have to go dead past papa and so. Because this man come like say, we not fit talk about, when you talk about so in the raise, invite the up here so I'm here talk to him down here so. Sure about that.
Let me ask you something. Other funny care, you have a good bed to sleep on? Eh?
You're going too far in my relationship.
No, I'm just ask you a question.
Me call if you talk to you about something that means if you come go and discriminate me man or not.
Pick up for your man when I walk foot. Pick up for him.
I'm going to call you my yard for. Eh?
Girl, I know you call me your yard. And me just come. Me come to you to talk to you. But since you show your problem for me.
Come talk to me. Where you want to talk to me? So, how you catch your head so? I'm on your one.
You call me name. I come over here to borrow money for you.
Tia.
What?
Tia. How much time you call your name? 2 times.
Well,
Yes, you see him walk foot man, we just did that tell me about. And him said when me have to go get the money from filling you. But by the way, don't touch me. Other day, you come here in a crown and you come in and a rubbing on my face and all of these things. Where your crown man there?
You only drive up and down in the crown, under AC, and I have dollar. Not even gassy boy can buy. One day car pop down. For two, brought down with me and him. You want to see me a push car. So me have to left him.
And you want me left my walk foot man. Me not push no car. With a walk. But anyway, how much you want?
$150,000.
Huh?
If you have fun, me take you.
Far? You must have mad. Me not have the money there yet.
30 days.
Me wait, me I go in the house, me so come back. Run over here, me call you. Yeah? I will call you, my sister girl later. A bright. Forget that from.
So me not always pay you back.
One in your yard.
Alright, give me 10 then. Me take 10.
Alright, me call her later and sit down.
They say I won't make it if they can't get full control. They say I won't make it if I don't plan to sell my soul.
When we reach certain place and find out that certain things are going, we will have a magical moment. You understand that if we continue and save and get the things together, no things can go on this. You me appreciate you. Actually, me appreciate you.
Every day you have me, I walk up and down, like I feel me a donkey. Eh?
What do you mean by that?
You need to get one car. Me can't manage you walking no more. You're a big old man. At time for you have one car, drive up and down like anybody else.
I can't do this thing. Where you say it like say, or something we have to swing and plan about. Where you want me to go do?
I should have planned this for a long time. I just want to plan this one.
I must get a bike. I must go thief. A thief and a thief.
I never tell you for thief.
Yeah, but me I say give me some time and me get everything sorted out. Me and you come from the road and we are top of the facts that we are built. We are built and we are getting there. So we are pressure me about up down and all these things. We have to walk and go, we are go. And look, the sun not too hot and all. What you talking about? Me not understand. Really, I'm so confused. Is this the person who I'm there with for 6 months? I same person this?
Oh, Jesus. Nobody bring that tonight.
So, some must bring it.
Time for you step up. You're there doing so too long. Time for you come up and
you couldn't even say, me go buy one bike or something. Put the money and go buy one bike or borrow the money.
You go buy bike. And I'm here, yo. Come on, I'm not ready for that yet. You know, see what going to the bikers there.
Alright. Why you pressure me, you?
Nah, pressure
You pressure me feel like say, me's not a man, you know, like if me have a car, me's not a man. Is that what you're saying?
Me never said that, you know.
So what you said then? Me you walk come with you pull out here and me and I vex up. Like say something what me can do right now. I don't like how you make me feel. But it's alright though. It's alright, everything good.
So you get the car and I
I'm gonna get the car, I'm gonna go thief. I think you got thief on car. So what you say then? Me I look work at save and me I spend pan partner.
That go take too long.
What mean take too long? Look on the partner John who was supposed to collect next month.
Alright then. Next month. Me give until next month when I collect.
What you want? All pop-up car come can buy one car for 200,000.
No, you must have mad.
So that me I say so what you pressure me?
A new brand Chris car me want drive up on my gate. Yeah.
Because the man where you get the drive from. You get the drive for the man drop your yard at the gate and you're comfortable under AC. You can't walk no more. That a problem? Eh?
No, me not have this conversation with you on the road. Go
No, but you started. You fling with me and draw a crowd. Look over there, so people look over there, so people look over there, so.
Alright,
eh?
don't.
So what will happen now then? Oh, you are good on go cuss.
We don't go cuss your town.
It's alright, man. No, I'm not hold your hand again.
No, I'm
not hold your hand. So go on if I stop the case. That's so no go on, man. Just because one man carrying a car, you feel the AC and your foot and your as soon as your head.
Yeah. They say I won't make it if they can't get full control. They say I won't make it if I don't plan to sell my soul. I've got news for you.
Father.
Jah is in
there, brother, under a struggle and stuff.
You still on yourself, because be a mosquito and sand fly, you know.
I tell you, yo, one reason about something, saying, it's like, say, if my man knows say me can't buy one car right now, saying, and afraid of bike, dog, afraid of bike, when you come on the bike and them something there, you can't just imagine how dangerous it is to slide and drop her.
A bike, I carry people them up on the hill, and where you come off it? Where you say?
I say, woman, I pressure me, but me if you buy a vehicle, bro.
Oh,
I pressure me say buy a vehicle, buy a car, and not even say make you rent one car and do one road one time, you know. But it's like she want hands-on, me buy a vehicle. Me can't do them something, bro. Me see you with a vehicle them too, you know, but, you know, me not gonna tell you say me envy her, you know.
I get a vehicle, I come get a vehicle, man.
So me and you in the same situation where me and you walk down a place there. And you have
I
two
want to know
vehicles.
how me get my vehicle.
Two vehicles.
Yeah, man, I thief it. If I got thief a car. I thief them, I say I 2 vehicles now. I thief them, brother. Me don't know where how to get no vehicle, like, nobody not help me. Nobody not send no money come give me from foreign. Me not get no top up on my pay where me can just say, alright, them top up here where me and get, me lock them off in my bank.
So, you're not afraid?
Afraid of man, me just mash up, meds out the place and them just go do my thing, brother. Business if more get catch. Cause car more change up them there, brother, and burn out the chassis plate and them something.
Can we realize say you know drive certain time, you know, you drive certain place.
No,
and even for
there,
the
you know.
Eh?
One blue van, you know.
You know one blue van there?
Ever park up. Like it a drive and everything, you know, but it just always park. And a 4 about no alarm no nothing, car. No alarm no left on it. Right up on the front they say park, one blue van. Take if you take that, man. What? God not see me for that, brother. See we work hard and we can, but everybody when some people not even work and them a buy car.
That me I say right now.
Take the thing, brother, man.
I want to pressure me thing, bro. I mean I say, you man I'm there with for about 6 or 8 months. See, I make me feel like say me work this with me I don't care.
Feel good, said we. Take the car, brother.
Take
Take the car, brother.
You know, she know.
Nothing hard none of that. Me can help you, me can shoot, me can watch for you, you know. When I go take it, you know. If nobody will come, brother. Take the car, brother. Oh, you're going to make the girl feel good. She soon gone left you, you know.
No, she gone left. Alright, so, listen. Run up front there. You know, so I know a place you are talking about.
Yeah, man, the van, they will ever park up there.
Ever park, like in non-drive, like if somebody got a foreigner.
If you not, you not no key, just bust out the wire, man. That me do the first car with my teeth, you know.
Alright.
I'm sure you have to do it, man.
Alright, so for that. So, yo, respect, you know.
Alright, they say them, man.
So where you carry them right now?
My car, them?
Where you carry them?
Me can't put them on the front page too. Them I look for them, you know. Well, them in a different colour still, but them
but my man want come first, so where's Zara? I don't think what a part. That we take care of yourself.
If you have the van there, you know. She not left your foot, you know.
That
Do it, man.
Alright, brother, respect our manners now. See?
That's alright, man.
Alright, bro. Cool.
Let's do the maths, man.
Yeah, man.
Do the dirt.
Alright.
Yeah, my father, man, I'll give you a link to come on, you see me?
What's up? What going on?
Where you dealing, my friend?
I'm with you, easy. You good?
Pick up yourself, you know.
Bum punch.
Stand up, man. Where you dealing?
Yo, really and truly, boy. I'm only for things to ask about, cause I bike here. See?
Yeah.
Yo, but I don't even know if ask that one still. But Ira, it's this. For my woman there, me yard and she a pressure me about bike, bro. Like she a say, no, she a pressure me. When I say bike, yo, I'm confused to beef, but
Calm down, man.
I say, yo, she a pressure me about car and sitting, brother. Me can't afford no car. And it's like, what which did it because when I'm bridging them drop her off a yard, me feel say that's a stem everything. You know what I mean?
Bridging,
yeah,
drop her off of your yard.
Yeah, man, drop her off of the yard and thing. But when I put that from my brain, because bridging kind of, you know what I mean? My hands them tight right now. You have too much girl. But here, alright. She had tell me something for buy a car. You can't buy a car. But me I wonder. My budget their bike, brother. I mean, I want to set rate it. But
Yeah, man, then I get one bike, man. Yo, them a body, no?
so, how they really work still? Like, why? Cause me I use a bike, half of it still not make it, you know. So you know.
Boy, if you tell you the truth, this a bike, yeah, you know, say around 1 year.
1 year
have it. And it never fail me yet. I carry me go places. Yeah, and I carry me go work more while. And more while me run a 1 and 2 bike taxi. So It do me good.
It do a good justice. Because you know,
It saved my life.
Fear problem is that rain a fall and she a get wet and all them something and you know like people that splash you up on the road. So when you ride the bike, when you ride with umbrella?
I say so, man. A style I try style me thing.
No, man, that's something.
Yeah, but the umbrella go up and bike it.
Me no know, brother. Me ask her because the woman says it's like she can't bother the rain and people are. How you go? Me I say if you ever ride the umbrella, cause me wonder if me can cover her.
You know, so me not like how you're going like me alone. I think me ask you a question. Me say if umbrella can go up on bike.
No.
How you go ride the bike and hold umbrella?
No, I'm just alright. Sorry about that. But yo,
Even when you ride the bike, if you hold the umbrella, the breeze will blow it away.
Okay, so I'm mad question that. Alright, yo.
Stupid question that,
Yo, we
man.
can just hold on, yo. You see bike, you come here, I say.
I'll go to something for you, buy. But you can ride bike?
No, I can't ride bike up. Hold on.
There's something here, you know, they're quick, you know.
And dangerous and true.
You have to watch your clutch, you know. You see clutch?
Yeah.
That's one of the dangerous
man,
thing on the bike.
yo,
So you see when you get one,
no, man, no,
or when you're ready to get one, me teach you.
No, I'm not feel so like I walk out. Brother, I'm not feel yo, can right, yo, how you do it still? Cause yo, I don't know, brother. Me think I couldn't deal the bike thing.
The bike easy, man. Me not tell you so me can't teach you.
No, cause you know, me not think it make no sense. I think it make no sense, brother. I can't walk out.
So where you go do then? Cause you say a woman want car and you don't have car money. Cause you say, my bike, people are gonna splash you up on one because something. Me not no problem with that, you know. You get what me say? Me not no problem with that.
But
you can't put your basket where you can't reach. You can't do that. So if you're not ready to buy the bike, you go and save your money till you reach your car money. Or you get a bike where you can go and move around. All you do, when you know it's a rain or fall, then you don't ride the bike then. Because me know about it, so me know if you manage this a bike when rain or fall. So all you do, you don't ride it in rain or fall then, or when rain fall.
But brother, I'm not think me change my mind. Me never on a bike at all. Cause bike, look, your bike too dangerous, answer. I think,
why?
Yo, respect and thanks for listening to me, answer. Cause really and truly, me have me option because right now, you can't afford nothing.
The one you're selling, you can't sell it, you know.
Yo, brother.
Can't be your first bike, you know.
No, you change your mind, brother. I'm budgeting upon that and.
You wanna just keep your business to yourself because you forward to me for idea and me I tell you what I go on and you know listen to what me I say. So you know what? You see if you can't afford a car, the best thing me can tell you to do, go thief one because you're going to make your woman stress you until you go all mad. Me nah no more option for you because me I tell you so this a sell or you can buy a new one if you don't want this a old one and you don't want to do that. So just do your thing because I pick up some food from my woman. You waste my time.
So you tell me say better me go thief then?
That if you go do because me I give you a better option and you don't want it. So go thief it.
This one goes out to my special baby. My heart in you and for. Oh, hey. Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy.
You know why I'm Heartless? No. I'm lucky things to live in here to me. Let's see. Me I feel like a man down the road, right down this one.
Where left him for?
Girl, every day have me a walk up, down, like me a donkey. If I go buy one car or something, when you can drive up and down with me.
Me did a wonder too. What you do with that the man there? When I have a car, eh? Only they go find date and walk, you go walk, eh? If you not, listen if you know they got Kingston, what you do? Take bus and each up side of people?
No.
Listen, in the time, you don't need no man when I drive. You don't need no man when I drive. What you do? If you're sick one night and you're in a bed, who go carry to the hospital? Taxi, and suppose taxi not come on time. What you do?
I don't know if it's true.
What you do?
No. We just talk to him. He said by next month we get one car. So I will know till next month.
And next month come and you get one car. What you do?
What you do? What do you think I should do next month? When
find one next man will drive.
You want me to give me man bun?
Me need to give him one left him. Come on, can't play. Yeah, Ram? America, me not like that. Me not like that feel.
Some just left me walk foot man to your car man.
Yes. It's
Me
as
think
easy
about
as
it.
that.
If you don't get one car by then, me think about it. So, what you do now?
Me not do a thing, girl. Me just...
Hold on. Yeah, babe. If you come outside, alright, me I come. You can go on over, you know.
Girl, but it's not easy. Me come over here to talk to you about my business and you're going to
Later
me.
we talk about that. We can't talk about that. Me say me not go back.
But it's urgent.
Me so come. Wait, me I come. Wait then.
Me never... It's a sign.
What you mean me fi meet you all time banana tree? Me not understand. Where you dey? Me not even see you want to come or nothing. Me not like this, you know. Me feel where you dey. Me turn up out at 8. Yes, me the out here. Babe, me come out and house for you. Tell me come out and me go and stand up out there banana tree. You out them there now. Babe, me there banana tree stand up all long and wait for you. Where you there? Me can't see you come from the road or nothing. Surprise? What kind of surprise? Yeah. One, somebody with them gonna come. Oh shit. Oh, this up. Sorry, you know. Over this. Over this. Over this. Over this. Over this. Oh, over this. Stop now. Over this.
Oh, for you think it is? Eh? What you mean? Yes.
Oh my god.
So we are. And with this
That's
now.
so lying.
Go look in there. Go look in there. Go look in there. Go look in there. Now watch the thing you want to drop down here inside us. But go look in there.
In your smell
Sweet?
sweet.
No mind the thing you want to drop down here.
This one goes out to my special baby. My heart in you and for. Oh, hey. Baby, thank you for not giving up on me.
Yeah.
Baby girl, I know it's not
You know someone
easy.
back
It's
here?
not easy. Dealing with a mess like me.
Still a smoke?
For not giving up on me.
Eh?
Baby girl, I know that.
Nobody worry about that. Listen to me after sex. You know some proud of you?
What I mean?
I'm proud of you, I'm happy for you, man. Because the other day I tell us I can't bother with the taxi thing. And see the carry us a door now.
I mean, man.
We can go anywhere we want, go just buy gas, put in our car, and, you know. But
What is
babe, something to my mind. With the year and you not work or nothing. How you get your car?
You don't worry about the partner.
I know something I worry about it, I just want to know. Alright, I don't want no trouble. I don't want to know we get
What
into
else? What do you mean? We are talking about what some can get in trouble you want to know you just got. No, don't touch me now, man.
Babe, that's not
Because I'm gonna
okay,
if
so
you enter your smoke, you always appreciate some things were out of this world. I'm gonna like that boy yo. It make me feel uncomfortable. You understand me? I say, look how much you tell me get it. What now? What wrong? You want money? What you want? Eh?
Me no want no money.
Go and go
Give
buy
me
one.
money,
Go
'cause
buy
me have
one
to
10
go
pack.
up on the road.
Go buy one 10 pack and
Give me
smoke.
$1,000.
No 1,000 you get no. You implant feet? You implant feet?
No, me
So if
no.
you get 1,000, go along with it. And give God thanks.
Alright, babe, but just understand what me
Nothing want to touch. Me not,
babes, you're not
stop,
worried.
no stop.
You're not.
Because you not trust I and I.
Me trust you, babe. If you tell me say you did a save or something. A save, you did a save,
Me not feel like I have to tell you what I'm going right now. I appreciate say carry out the door. See all dog about that one that one going. But that if carry out the door, just appreciate it.
Babe.
What?
Yes, when you have woman that rate you know and respect you know and something, alright, you know what matter of fact, me I go on the road, me soon come back. Yeah?
Go and go do what you do.
I don't want camera. You want camera?
There, me have Jean Care. But on the right, I say, shut the right this. I walk in it. So if you drive, it's like me drive from this and just park. No, come on, babe. I understand she excited. Later on, take it for your speed. But that's all.
Alright then.
Alright?
Later, me soon come here.
Alright.
Give it up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. It's not easy. Dealing with a mess like me.
Yeah, dog, what you mean?
Thank you for not giving up on me.
Brother, if you know where you go fast though. Yeah, man, have a car, man. Nah, man, I don't think that one I don't track up on you.
Hey boy, get up.
What do you mean?
Get up. I think I know say you teeth carry no long way I look for you.
No, he's up. I know me.
Get up. Come on, five.
Yo, come liar.
Get up. Come on, that's it. Hey boy, me shit.
Yo, he's the man. No, me not run.
Boy, it's a move. Me shoot you.
Oh my God. I'm coming. You put handcuff on me.
Hold a hand.
You put handcuff on me. Ah!
Boy, move, walk.
No. Boom. Oh yeah. You know it's a wrong thing now to do.
Go in there, so.
Wrong thing now to do, you know.
Yo, big man, how you there? Who you? That me ask you, who you?
Brother, no jail with it. We are making sound like a woman and all these things.
Bad man, you come in and come see me, me ask who you. I bust me, I bust up the mouth, and then I chat to you, you go like, you know, hear me, you know, hear me.
That's how things work, so.
You don't know.
Brother, alright,
You see, if you come and come see me, you have respect for me, you see me? Because I can call in two niggas and I'm say with them beat you up in there.
Alright, no bother with that. You know what I say? My name public and is a catch me a thief on car.
Oh,
You understand?
A thief.
I don't really say thief, I try to think and my woman a pressure me say you want car if you drive and all them something. I couldn't afford no car.
A woman lead you astray.
And no matter how woman lead me astray, responsibility lead me astray.
Well, in here is a different thing in here. No thief can go on in here.
So how you come in here?
You know, so still I see everything. But I don't care me thief, you know, me thief because of a thief, me thief, and then can me.
So tell me so, I when they give you food, like how often they give you food? Cause me here say prison food are nice, you know.
Well, prison food are nice, you know, but I see if me get to me food and you know satisfy me, you know what I go on. You see me?
You know, me not look no war, bro. Me there, I mean, know how long me got there for.
Watch so out, you see if you pay dues and you do what you have to do, you're good, man. You see me, you're good, but me I tell you say you have some.
I'm for payment dues.
Listen, man, you have some bigger head down I B cell. You see down there, so now go down there, so me I want it. Them the man there, you turn them girl if you go down there.
So, up and some me have to start.
No, I dare say you sleep charge it. I want me say enough. Sit down, man. Me not share no bed with no man. Me
not share no bed, brother.
No up here, so. No man not supposed to be on top of me.
But I make it so I go piss up less and water. Yo, what do you bro? Me have to sleep somewhere, you know.
Listen, man, then sit. If you have peace, sit on the sand, peace, no charge it.
Alright, I'm realizing how going. Everything good. Other kind of vibes, you want, no problem. So what I need?
I'm not tell man the name, so don't ask me the name.
Everything good.
Just
Officer, I can't get a phone call.
my youth. Them
Officer!
happy nice place now.
Officer!
Charge you, I might be a nice man.
What a phone call, officer! Oh, see officer coming. When you supposed to, so you have phone?
You're informer.
I number the office. Number the officer. Number.
Want a phone call?
Me a
2
phone
bills
call.
a call.
2 bills.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. So if me give you 1,000, you give me my change.
No, man. You no call you what?
I got it.
A call, man. A call. Hurry up now, man.
Hello? Babe? Where there? Because the people them in our community are telling me say police come for you
Honey.
They depend honey.
Alright, you might can call me on the phone sometime. Yeah? You go cost me $200.
Yep, man, you can call it sometime.
What? How much do I can make? Over here the thief here? Jesus Christ. So I'm gonna ask you how you come back here because I never want no problem in that place.
No, don't worry yourself, babe. Don't bawl, don't cry for me like that, man. I just mistake me.
So what me I go do now? And me make you get locked up? Me never seen a go thief. Jesus. Babe. So how you go come out? What me have to do? What me I go do now?
Just step on the case so I can come out of jail fast, yeah? Alright, babe. Call me lawyer for me. Call me lawyer. Me lawyer. No, another one there. No, him a thief. Call the next one.
Say you're not thief too.
Call the next one.
Oh, okay, no money.
Yeah. Because money we done and he will just cut the case and that. Yeah. Alright, babe. Love you.
Hello?
Give me this, man. Say you're not thief too. Where you talk with man a thief? You're not thief too. Listen, you see if she call up on this phone there, that cost you again. This done enough. And this after you one call now. And feel comfortable, man. You can go on your bed now, man.
Right? If you're a little young girl full of problem and stress, you know. Anyways, it's so sad if you know what go down though. Why? I never expect that from him though.
I never expect it neither, even though I kind of did a push him and I say if you get one car and whatever, I never expect him to go thief, you understand? I just did one thing, work look harder, work towards see if you get it. I never want him to get thief or nothing.
I did tell her from man, he say no, him and nobody, you know. They left him, but you know here, see them guy thief, can't go up jail left you. So you plan to do?
Because the truth, I don't know. Because me I try so hard to move on and forget about him, but I can't do it. I can't do it.
You know, you thought they like you love him bad though.
Yeah, I do.
Oh God. I feel sorry for you now. God no, me not tell no lie, I feel sorry for you. Cause for a young girl, you don't know one thing or the other. Eh? Well,
But no, God have to show me a sign today. If you not show me a sign today, that means I'm go just move on and forget about him or something. We still hear from him 1 and 2 times, say I still
so you tell me now, you really still don't think about him the same way? Move on with your life, girl. Come make no nonsense.
You think it's easy to just left somebody with Tia?
Right
Yeah.
now, let me tell you something. Right now, Martha, me tired for you walk on the road and hear people they bash me. Say, me and your friend, and you have teeth in man, and this and that. Me feel away. I don't know teeth. When they are jail for? Eh? When they are jail for?
Probably all barren.
Pick up for man. Time to pick up for man.
What go America?
That's why we're going to town.
You good? We can talk to you for a minute.
So because you come to talk to me, so me have to talk to you later. Good as all this time. Go
The
on.
time you come to talk to your sister later.
Maria, a public send me to you now.
What do you mean?
Which part him there now? I'm kinda alright still, but I say, I want to make sure say you are alright. You see me, send me come give all in. See, send me drop off one piece of package. Still, you see me? I say I can't to call which part him there. I know say, what if I call him now go to one but I say, look at thing I turn up for me, you see me?
Yeah.
Like you might get something in there when you can sell and then something, you know. If you want to make a piece of money now, say give me 100,000 to give a set. I want to make sure say alright, you see me?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Because I call Carl in and everything.
Alright, thanks. Tell him thanks when I get back to you, yeah?
Mala make me know say every week you will get a piece of money now. You see? And not if you really know how you stay neither, you see? Must say the case lie have up the case on the hand now, so you kind of active so so come out, you see me? So you don't have to worry yourself. Worry yourself for choking, you see me? Everything will go good. Yeah?
Man, really is so.
Want to take care of yourself. We link again. Next week I'll see me, you know.
Tell him thanks here and thanks again.
Yeah man, you're welcome man.
Tia!
Yes!
And what you doing in my kitchen so long?
Girl, when me... I understand you have a milk?
What if you have a milk? Eh?
But I want you know how long me in the search on the place I look for milk, no milk.
Ask question, I say I could have thief my things out of my kitchen.
You ever hear nobody got nobody here that even no more fork spoon plate? What?
Cup. You miss out the cups on me, tell her. Oh God, so cool.
From when me sick, I can't bother.
Get some garlic and something and mix up with. Anyway, I know I say, from what you for sure your vibes, you know what I'm saying? When my man did out here, never did I make money, right? And now he in a jail. And I make money like every week. You start sending me one good amount of money. You see, good amount of money. Like if you send me money next week and the other week, me can go buy a little markets or one of them car there.
Yeah. You have so much money? Eh?
Yeah.
You know much markets?
No.
You think a chicken feed for markets?
No.
So wait a girl. So your man is sending you money every week, is it?
Yeah, every week.
Other day me come down here and I borrow 50,000 for you. And a problem?
Girl, me never have it at that time.
So you have it now? Like you have it now, man. Girl, by next week me give you back. You must can sacrifice 50,000 and give your friend.
You realize that every time you see you ask me for money? Like you feel like say me have money. Me not have no money. And my man they at jail.
Your man they at jail and can't send your money. What you do with money? You can't lend me 50,000 in America? You say you have saved to buy a car. Buy the ready to buy the car, me give you back. I can give you back in installments. Yeah.
So by the way, if I borrow you, borrow it. Who go give money to give me it back?
Marka, that's easy, no man. Me go give you back. You don't believe me?
When you give me back? If we give you today, when you give me back the money?
Next week, Friday.
You work? You have a man?
Marka,
Eh?
just listen to me I say now. Listen to me I say.
Alright, just next week Friday when you go give me back your money, wait upon next week Friday to get your money.
No, I sit. Marka, listen. I sit me figure deal with tomorrow. Tomorrow. Me can't wait for next week Friday.
See, I want me feel like you're general. Because if me never come up and say, rope straps, where would I get money for deal with what you're doing tomorrow?
Listen, God works in mysterious ways. Yeah?
Alright, I'm going to lend money. Oh yeah, somebody suffer. Me nobody lend it, you know.
Marka, I'm going to marry.
Me lend money still. But, you know, say me I think about, me I say, when my boyfriend did their road, he never did make the type of money here.
That's true.
And now he in a jail, he just make money on top of money and he just send me a good amount of money a week time or something. But did I say, I think one thing come out. One thing stay in a jail and send me money.
She like you. Then Marka, so you wicked?
Yeah. I'm not wicked, you know? I'm not wicked, but you think when you come around and make their money still?
Whatever tactics you use in a jail, if you have the same tactics you will make you. Marka, jail a feed animal. You really want a man to in a jail? I'd better you left him man then.
No, I'm not left him. You realize I'm not even giving bond from him gone? Yeah, I'm not left him man. I feel like if you stay in a jail, me get more money every week. And your week can come borrow money from me.
Cockroach, this is not a full fight though. But you lend me money or what? You lend me money or what?
You just don't give me money, so I tell us I'm going to lend you money.
Money makes the world go round. Yeah? So stay there. Anyways,
me send it to you. Me send me an account number, me transfer it to you.
Alright, when I reach home, I'm going to your internet. Can you not even internet in your yard?
I have a plan and me alone live.
As me say, when we reach home, me send you the account number.
Aye.
I'll make sure you send the money and I have to come back over here.
Offer your money or offer me money?
You stand bad.
If blood of Jesus against you, go in your
Love
yard.
you.
Lock me door, please, me I beg you.
So I go on now.
Alright, you are going. See now, fresh on the street. See? And we're lucky when we're at jail. And look, say all of it get released at the same time. Waiting like a nice car bill. I tell you, you know that to shop now.
You know which that floor sending me a car.
I tell you, brother, so here what we're gonna do. We have to try to stay clean as possible and keep the same code that we have in a jail. You understand? Well, we in a jail and the thing went kind of terrible and it get better.
But watch out now, kind of have something more to tell us still, you know. Remember in Nigeria you couldn't find a chain?
Yeah.
You know, say I made you capture it on a time.
You mean capture?
Remember, say me and you really friend, I'm really rate like that. So I take your chain. You see me? So I sell it to her.
All this time you take my chain, daddy.
Yeah, I take your chain. Watch out, cool your nerves, man. I sell one dirty dog your chain, you see me? So I sell the man the chain. The man knows you have your chain and the man still buy the chain.
What you say, the Ringo?
Yeah, the man knows he have fair chain, the man still buy the chain. And this,
Yeah, the man say shot, man.
and this Thursday, they are planning to give money with some birthday present or some anniversary, something. So I have to go back for your chain for him, because I know I have your chain. So told me not coming, I have to go back for your chain.
So what chain?
The chain, man, I get chain.
Come on. Yo. I can accept your apology still, because people do make mistakes. And you don't say the situation may arise where me and my friend for true, because you deal me rough still, you know.
Sorry about
Sell
that.
a phone call and sitting and take
Me
away
dey
my first money.
But they have to do that to make me go change still. Nah, like, you know, kind of rough.
Chat, man. Here we are going to do.
Hello.
Brother, come off your phone, man. What kind of phone call?
So call about it.
Eh? A business we are doing now, you know. You think a pleasure?
I see people them there that me up a call me. But
So you're not done with them, bro.
Anyway, they
What
say
me I say now is, we must have business as usual. Someone you know, go on a yard, get some rest, even for 1 week. Chat, man, nobody going to strip club, you know.
No, man.
Nobody going to strip club, because from the whole time you say, yo, Tuesday man as a free, a club you're gone. Careful, brother. And nobody show nobody the money in their bag. Like that. You answer me, I say? But nobody gonna rob nobody.
Nah,
you
no,
have
sir.
money.
No, man, me have money now. Well, if I'm on this, man, start on
You answer me, I say, yeah.
Nice, I know, man. But I want big jail here now.
No. Lay low for your wife.
Yeah,
Lay low for your wife.
When I do that, no, man, I start
Draw attention. Yeah. So, do the thing. Tomorrow, as me say, take on a time off. So, first thing, 7 days from now, I come link you. See? Yeah. I'm going to show you our vibes. I'm going to get back on work. Alright? Alright. Yo.
We'll link.
6 days from now, me I link you. Because I want to know, say, you know, gone back over here, so.
Yeah, man.
You answer me, I say?
Me there for me place.
Yo, I can't trust you. I can't trust you.
You can't trust me, man. Really? I tell us I'm a chain. I say me give you back your chain.
Alright. That's true.
Everything
Alright.
good, man.
So we talk. Yes, sir.
Alright, I go pan for me, bro.
Yo, do your thing, you know.
I want link, man.
Yeah, man, definitely. If I drive soon forward.
I'll make you look sad to me.
When you come over here for, I'm not talk to you already and tell us that today is not the day I want you to be hard.
You just have to go and check for you or something. So me have to something. They come.
No, you don't come yet. I look on the time.
Well, I don't know, me just go and check for you. See.
Me alright. What?
So you sure say today my home? Today?
Yes, they say today. I don't know what happened.
So we can look so jiggy like, wow, what happened? You do anxious?
Yeah, come wait to see me. Look how long I'm gonna see him.
Anyways, like how you not come yet. I like you not come. I can't let me $10,000 more.
Jesus, yeah, come here. Give you no idea, dear. Do me a big one.
Because
Me no have no money.
you're most happy when you get these things.
I've been so sad for so long. By now I should be moving on. So distracted for so long. What the hell is going on? Why am I afraid to say I'm sorry? Is it because you won't accept? I've got this fear to fall asleep. Cause when I close my eyes, I wish you'd come running back to me. It's in my mind when
Yo, public.
I open my eyes and you I see.
Look how long me there wait for you, man. Yo, forward in, man.
Yo,
Yeah.
boy, you tell your boy, say, you know, well, I'm not there, I'm there at jail, him get enough time to eat some food, right? But now that I'm back, I want him stay off of these streets. right?
Alright.
And if I can't reach to him, I don't want to reach to you, you know. Because me make an example of him see up on the street. After you tell him that if you don't listen to what I say, you stay off of the street too, right?
So I treat that bossy.
I'm not really threat. I'm not threat. We don't send threat. Threat
Oh.
are back in ideas thing. We don't send threat. That's what we make, right? So, you love life.
Of course, me love my life.
So go and live it then and careful and tell them what I say, right?
Yeah, man.
I'm back in my place again. We don't eat enough food when I'm gone, right? Food no business that, we don't really care about explanation.
Welcome, bro. Ready?
Ready, man. Hold on. You don't know, say, my brother father today, no. Give me a message for you.
Forgive me.
Mm-hmm.
So you know which brother forward?
One Rasta youth.
One Rasta youth?
Mm-hmm. Drive one grey car. One Axio.
One Axio. Still not pick up our... Yeah, alright.
He say I come from prison, so all the money them where I make. I make them few times. So now he come back from prison. You have to ease up off 5th Street.
When you ease up off 5th Street. So you really get one message and I know where the brother come from. So hold on. I must say, like, if you ease up off 5th Street, why ain't go do? You go stop with food or what?
I say no say. And I say, boy, if you know why ease up off 5th Street, what we do?
What like what threat my threat, yeah?
And me ask me if I threat my threat, he say if I live me in a way too. What happens to me ask me if I threat my threat, he say innocent threat. That back in the days I don't pay make.
Alright, here's what we're gonna do then. Just call off this video. Let me go down to my thinking cap and see what best way to respond to this situation. You understand what I say?
Yeah,
so
man.
here, let's go back home. You have enough money for the last few weeks, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright, what you do, just lay low. Maybe shout it. See? Let's see the next word. Yo, angle thing. Yes, sir?
Yeah, man.
Alright. You good?
Oh, good. You?
I want to talk to you.
Want to talk to me?
Yeah, come on.
What are you?
I want to ask you some question, babe.
Go ahead.
The money when I send you, you know he's not a spender, but you still have a good portion of it right now.
No.
One thing we know, you don't like to spend money. You're a saver, you're not a spender. You understand? So don't bother give me that little smart, smart thing man.
You ask someone to steal. The money we are saying for me, right? I think I want to take it back from you.
I want to take it back. No, like that. I wouldn't do that. But I'm not do that. So check on you, cause the reason I say that now is because today down on the road and you know some left and some have to start out some things. I don't know to change. Nothing more fast than so. My brethren send one message to Sharpman. I tell Sharpman say I send threat to do what things if you leave off on the streets and about make them affair doing, do all kind of wrong and so forth. So I tell me say I can watch myself and know them can and know them business. You know, you me saying send that threat. What is the gain of having things and our lights? Hmm?
So you're afraid of that?
And
Hey, at some point, somebody are gonna leave. Every day somebody leave. You're not afraid of them. They come anytime.
what me answer to you is this. I know come anytime. You must promise me say, if you not do so, if me not, me tell you something, man. What you have to tell me something to continue and lose my life, or in a business about my life. But that
No,
time,
I'm never for that. Me, because you're not afraid of that. That's when I'm afraid of that. You come and you step to come fast. You come faster than
I think this a thing you ease. You know, ease off of how you deal with what me I deal with, and kind of go to the right way. Maybe it's a sign. You know what I'm saying?
Probably. You know what I'm saying? More after something personal. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Probably. You know, so that the energy and if you got more money and everything.
So when you say that now, what that's supposed to mean? So if
I feel like so. You have to do something to give up at you. You would have more better I feel like so I love you and I'm doing something there. But I feel like if you go on with you. No one do it. There's no different after not to do something.
let me say a joke, man. Let me say I really I never think this not really reach me, man. Yeah, you're right. Because since we got jail, everything turned in my life. But you tell me say the place where make the dog and cow and puss, me if you run go back there. Eh? You know how jail when heavy and me I suffer for the first part. Eh? You know how things went terrible. All the brethren me help out with everything. Him thief me chain, this a chain and thief. And sell it. And because me start, make sure saying good and everything. At least you have the audacity to say, alright, you know what? Let me buy back a chain and give back my brethren. And that's how I get back a chain. But I never tell you that. And you know, the woman, somebody who I think about a future with, I tell me say me better off in a jail. You're heartless to even think that you said to me. And you have one grin on the side of your face, like you laugh. Eh? I want to live like evil, like money is the root of all evil. Can't believe some woman will do that to me.
That's all true.
Right, true, not true?
True.
You know what's the
truth?
truth?
That's a truth always hurt.
You know what is the truth? What I'm going to tell you right now?
Yeah.
You think this is it. You think what I'm going to do is give you space and make a little life. As simple as that.
You can't do that for me.
You can't do that?
You cannot do that. Because when you're in a jail, I keep myself to myself and everything, and I have the back, true and forth, everything, you can't do that.
You realize I'm here to send people to you to make sure so you call me once a month. You not even come visit me. Not even visit me. I'm going to tell you already, say, call me upon a number there. For 2-3 months, no phone call like that. So you tell me so. My cousin told you nothing like that. So you know what? I'm going to tell you, you're going to get what you search for. And anything you search for, it have to come to pass. No. You're going to find somebody who you can take for idiot constant because you're going to tell me something about you. So you're going to call me, you know. Alright, you prefer put yourself in my shoes. And me I tell you, say go on back at jail. The worst place on earth. Go on at jail, go live.
You feel bad about everything. But
The truth is the truth, the
the
truth.
truth is the truth.
Pick up yourself. Alright, you see from today? Just know say. Me glad say me no breed you. I tell you one of the biggest thing. Me glad say you never want no pitney. And me glad say maybe you can't have pitney. Cause sometimes I saw God no make certain people have pitney, and they will never be blessed and fruitful because for them fruit and a fruit. For them fruit a stone.
So one little something I said to you.
One little.
Probably you take it this far.
No man, you see,
You take it this far.
which far I take it? You know gone far it, man. But as me say, you can't tell your friend. Your big fat friend. You can't tell her everything again and tell him say, this is it. Maybe your friend will come look me. Yeah, that you see you? Go and hold your own.
Probably.
Yo, let go my hand, man. Don't do that. Don't pretend like you want me.
Probably.
See this one? Yeah, man, lie down and relax yourself. Don't act like you want me. You don't want me. Got the money. What do? Stop, no, man. Don't do that. Say something to me. You have to keep it when you say everything you say have consequences. Mark me off your list.
It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Yo, Custos. You hear me? More you listen me keenly, you know. Me no want no problem. Me not want to feel like me have a problem. Right? Cause you know, so to them is Stamadan. Right? And me tell him for one public, you know. Cause me no want to can public, and you know, me not going back to jail again, you know. And you know, so you need money and you love money, so you need to ensure that you have no problem. Cause really and true, me not get my hand dirty, you know. So you go lose, you know. Or you go lose, so you go choose. Right? So, me there, you know. Right now, I two girls to come check me right now. So I don't need to talk about nothing right now. I feel like Vibes Cartel when you just come from prison. So I feel. So I just want to be a sexy girl around me right now. So I don't need to have no problem. I just need to know that the business, they're back intact. Who enjoy themselves when I never there, enjoy themselves. I know my business that. But now that I'm back on the road, I don't want no problem. Your money sure, you know. But it not go sure unless everything will go according to plan. Because I know say some people are fringing on some of the territorial them. But then couldn't do it when I never debo. But now that I'm back, they need to go one side or go find somewhere else. They need to go be a king of one different city. Right? Because you know say now go pretty and me now go show no pity. And the feds them there for me even the phone yeah. Them supposed to chat me same way. So you know, we not talk much. But me just make you know say your money hang in the balance. And I know say you need your money. So you do the right thing. Because I don't want to feel like me have no problem. So you know how I deal with problem. And this time I meditate and I know everything will go on, so it's not going to work out like the last time. This a time I know me feel check me youth them because I'm alright and give them money and things. And just have be a girl around me. Make me feel alright and things. So have a blessed night. And figure out the right thing. So by the morning, must be like all of the nightmare gone. fresh day, new day. You understand? Do the job and you get paid. Alright.
Just subscribe yet.